Is your hard drive running out of space? Or maybe you just bought a new one and need to set it up. In this video, I'll show you how to allocate unallocated space on your hard drive in Windows 11 and 10. You can delete a partition, shrink an existing one, or initialize a new hard drive. Method 1. Create a new partition, open Disk Management. Find the unallocated space, right-click it, and select New Simple Volume. Click Next, choose the volume size, assign a drive letter, and format it. Click Finish. Your new partition is ready to use. Method 2. Extend an existing partition. Open Disk Management and find the partition you want to expand. Right-click it and select Extend Volume. Choose how much space to add and click Next. Click Finish. Your partition now has more space. And that's it. For more detailed steps and other solutions, click on the link in the description. If this video helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and I'll see you in the next one.